Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on the application of Netflix. You click on settings, here. You will go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Netflix. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.